So welcome back guys to Unicoder Vite channel. So today we are going to talk how to write first hello world code in React. So we are opening our project. So the first thing you have to do is you can open a new Visual Studio project. Then move the folder that we created last day. So you can go like backend and frontend. So I'm opening both of them. So this is my code. Then go to a new window. You have to go to new window. Then you can get another Visual Studio window. Then you can open the folder. So I'm going to open my front end folder. Then open it. Then maximize it for better view. So this is my front end. As we discussed, we are going to do in a separate folders for front end and back end. That's a way. So that's why I am doing that. So I'm going to maximize it. Then we are going to create our first React project. So guys, you have to remember that before doing this, you have to install Node and XAMPP like softwares and Node.js likewise. So in the previous video, I have explained how to do it. So go check it out. If you don't know this, before doing this, sorry guys, I had making this. So in this tutorial, we are using React, but we don't use the plain React. We are using the Vite React framework. There are some importance of using this Vite React for project because Vite is actually faster than React, so it's a framework. Official document for Vite React, so you can read it and get some more ideas about what is Vite and what we can do. You can go it there. I will put the links in the description. So moving on to the installation part. So this some basic things about React. Then you can they say that you can try Vite online. Likewise, this is not very much important, but the important part is how we can install React. So there are some methods called npm yarn bun. So we are using npm. Npm stand for Node Package Manager, like a library for React and other Node modules. So we are copying it and we are pasting it in our new terminal. Then enter. You can see it's downloading the and creating a Vite project in our project folder. So they are asking for your name. You can put a name here. So I'm putting inventory front end for this project name. So they are asking package name. I'm keeping the same package name here. So after that, they are asking what's the framework we are using. So it means we are using Vite, but our framework is React. So I'm selecting React. Then what is the language we are using? So I'm selecting JavaScript. Now guys, the project folder is has created in our directory. So you can see the files in there. But they're asking us to run some more commands to complete the setup. So you can see we are in the front end folder, but our project files are in the inventory front end folder. So we have to move there. So to move to a directory, we are using cd, then the directory name. I'm entering in and pressing the tab, so you can get the whole keyword. Then you can see our directory name is changed to inventory front end. So we are in the correct project folder. Then we have run npm install. This npm install is like a installer that install all the packages that we need to run the Vite or React project. So these packages names what we are installing information is on this package.json folder. So when we hit npm install, it installs and run all and some of these commands. So all the dependencies are installed by npm install. So this is a must if you are installing a new project or creating a new project. So after completing it, may take some time. And I will say continue like what are these folders and files about them. So our project and our dependency installation is now completed. So now we can run npm run you. This is how you can start a project. It means how we can access to a front end via a browser. So if they are giving us a like address, you can press control and click on it. Control click. Then it will open it in a browser window. So guys, this is our successful creation of Vite plus React project. So this is there's a module called HRM, hot module reload, that is called HM1. So we are going to do our project back. Then it's the uh, base React and Vite project we are getting by default. So our main scope of the video is how to write the hello world and how to create a new project, means how to customize it. So this Vite config is like when we adding like tailwind like price, you have to add it here. Then the readme, you can add the project detail. Package.json, all the dependencies and the scripts are right here. Package.json is like a copy. These are not very important, but it's index.html. It is where the project main HTML page. So in the index.html, you can see there's a main.js, right? It's reading a script inside the script tag main.json. So please can see there's a main file. So JSX is like JavaScript same, but in Vite or React, we are in React Vite, we are using JSX format. So in there, there's a DOM method document dot get element id. So you can see there's a element called as. So we can see there's an import in there from app.js. So we can see what is this app. You see the app.jsx is the main place where we write our HTMLs. So you can see that, but the app is actually a method. You can see that's a function. So in Vite or React, all the most of the things are written like this because we are calling a function or like it's like a customizable thing. So if you want to edit HTML, you have to edit this inside this method. So you can write normal HTML inside this method. That's the beauty of React and Vite. So I'm writing this is first made by Unicoder Vite. So I'm going to paragraph and our hello. So we have to save the project to be a result. When we are saving the project, you can activate, go to file, then activate save function. So when we do a change in the code, it will automatically save it. So we don't have to press Ctrl S every time. You can see our content has changed according to our code or our font. So right, this is called the hot HRM, hot module reload. So you can, if you change something in the code, it will instantly change in the front end. This is the one useful nature of React in the Vite. So you can see HTML in the HTML or the page. CSS is applied, so this CSS is coming from app.css file. So if you delete or change something in here, it will affect the main code. So I'll demonstrate. So guys, from our next video, we are going to cleanly set up a project. Means we are going to remove all these things and remove all the unwanted dependencies and start a clean project. So in this video, I have shown how to start the basic project. Then for to do our work, we have to clean it up and make it somewhat clear to do a project. So in the next video, I will do it. So now guys, I'm going to show you a critical point in the project. So inside the function app method, you can see like there's a thing called fragments, JSX fragments. It's like opening and closing brackets for function. So it's a must to have those things. So if you will, if not, you will run out with a problem. So when you do coding in the React and Vite, please sure to have that fragments in the project. So if you have any problems in the project, please comment out and leave a like for me and our project. Thank you.